Hi guys, my name is Adeen and today I'll be speaking on this cue card. Describe a phone or computer game you enjoy playing since your childhood. Well, I've always enjoyed playing games since my childhood, since like I was born, or perhaps I was just 3 years old, because when I was born technology was new and I'd really like to play games, and children also like that stuff. So the game which I play the most is based on defenses and on attacking. It's called Clash Royale. It's a mobile game and you can also play it on your iPad or tablet. It's also available on laptops, but I usually play it on my mobile. It's quite interesting. It's quite an interesting game. It's an online game where you get to contact and get to fight against many players globally across the world. It's a very interesting game. You have to pick characters. There are many cards. You pick 8 characters in each deck, and then you go for a battle on a very interesting arena. That's quite fun. And when you defend your enemy and when you do offense, that's the best part. I like that part the most. And secondly, that game allows you to make teams of up to about 50 players where you can make friends. You can do 2v2 battles, which means 2 versus 2. You and your partner can beat 2 other partners, and also the people who like to fight. And if you're having any small argument with your best buddy or perhaps your sibling, you can always have a battle and also enjoy it. Whoever wins, he wins the argument. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel and also hit the like button. My name is Adeen. Take care. Allah Hafiz.